Hey there, my friends. Today, I am answering a bunch of questions about starting your concierge business. And these are the questions that have been submitted to me by all of you. So maybe one of the questions I answered today was the question that you have. If you're new to me, my name is Kelly Schaefer, and I am the creator of the Concierge Academy. I help local businesses market more successfully so that they can make more money, get more clients, and have a greater impact in their local community. And that is what I love to do. Okay, so today I have a plethora of questions, and I am going to try to answer a bunch of them rapid fire today. And because so many questions were submitted, I'm probably going to be doing a series of probably 2 or 3 videos answering all of your questions. So what I did today is I pulled out 5 questions today that are all about getting started in your business. So this video is all about getting your personal concierge business, no matter who your niche is, getting that business started. So the first question that was submitted is, how many services should you start off with? Great question, my friend. So it's not really about the number of services you should start off with. It's about thinking about who you want to help first. So it's like, who do you want to help? Do you want to help seniors? Do you want to help busy moms? Do you want to help local business owners, right? So normally, if you can think about who you want to help first, then you think about what are the unilateral services that would help that potential client. So when we do our marketing, what we want to do is have basically a want match, right? A match of what the person needs and the services that you offer. So are the services that you offer a good match for the clients that you want to work with? So again, it's not really about a number of services. It's about aligning the right services with the right client. So let me just give you a quick example. If your clients are aging adults trying to live at home and you are working with basically being a senior concierge, maybe event planning and party planning are not necessarily services that align properly with an aging adult. Perhaps if you're working with aging adults, doing companionship, cooking, meal prep, running errands, maybe light housekeeping, those would be services that are in alignment with that potential client. So what are the services that are the best match based on what your clients are going to need? The second question, how to get started. So really the easiest way to get started is, number one, just start going out there and talking about this amazing idea that you have. One of the things I notice is a lot of people hold themselves back to get started until they have all their ducks in a row. But the problem is you are missing out on all of the learning that is available to you just by starting. Literally decide, I'm starting, and tomorrow just start telling a whole bunch of people about what it is that you do. And in the process, in the meantime, while you're going out telling everyone about your new business venture, you can be doing things like setting up the LLC, or if you're going to be a sole proprietor and coming up with your name and coming up with your pricing and all of those things. And what I see is most people wait to have all that done before they go out and get started. The only thing you really, really need to get started is have an idea of who you want to help, what you want to do to help them, the services you offer, and how you plan on helping them. Once you know that information, then you can take that information and that will inform all of your other decisions. That will help inform, what are you going to name your business? That will help inform the type of insurance you're going to need. That will help inform where you're going to market. That will help inform what groups you're going to become part of. So the fastest way to get started is to just begin, even if you just start telling people about it, because there's so much valuable information you will gain by just talking about what it is that you want to do. The next question I'm going to answer here is, what is the best way to attract a potential client when you first open your business doors? Again, it is very simple. It's a 4-step process. 1 is basically meet people. Tell everyone, meet people. Number 2, tell them what you do and how you can help. It's that simple. The third thing is teach people how to hire you or refer you, because perhaps your neighbors will never be the people that hire you, but who knows, they might be able to refer you. So you want to teach people how to either hire you or refer you. And the fourth thing you want to do is to put value out into the world. What that really means is you just become a valuable resource in your community. How you do that, there are 1,000 different ways that you can put value out into the world, but all it is about you building know, like, and trust with people in your community so that they feel safe enough to hire you, so that they feel safe enough to want to refer you, because nobody will refer to anyone that they don't know. No one will refer to someone that they don't trust or haven't built some sort of a relationship with. All you really need to do is build relationships, my friends. That is the easiest, fastest way that you are going to get clients. The next question I want to answer is, where can I find my clients? So the question I would pose back to you is, who are your clients? Right? Which is why you always want to have an idea of who are the bucket of humans that you want to help first. This does not mean that you won't help a majority or a variety of people, but knowing who you want to help first helps inform who you're going to talk to, where you're going to network, what groups you might be part of, how you're going to talk about your services, who referral partners might be. So who are your clients first? And then where do those clients hang out? Where are they looking for services? Where are they looking for solutions? And who might they be asking when they need your help? And make connections with those people. The last question that I'm going to answer in today's video is how to pitch straight and clear. I am starting and not doing it the right way. I lose time and I am frustrated. So this question, the first thing that I want to point out is how to pitch straight and clear. When you are building a business, any kind of business, pitching is basically you putting something out there, hoping to get something in return. You're pitching your services to someone. A lot of times when you are pitching, it means that you are offering something to somebody that they might not have actually asked for it. So instead, let's flip the switch on that and do pitching versus offering to help. If you just keep showing up saying, hey, here I am. This is the business that I have. These are the people I work with. This is how I help them. Do you or someone you know need services that I offer? I would love to help them. It's a very different energy than I'm here pitching my services, hoping to get a new client. It's really about the energy in which you talk about your business compared to what it is that you say. So my friends, I hope this video was helpful for you today. If you are new in the industry and you're just getting started and you're looking for some free, easy, low-cost ways to get your name out there, I'm going to put a link below to a free resource on 20 low to no-cost ways to market your business, no matter who you sell your services to or who your niche is. All right, my friends, please hit that like button, hit up that subscribe bell so that you don't miss any of these other upcoming episodes. And maybe in the future, I'll answer one of your questions too. Bye for now.